You can write any book you want using AI completely for free. And in this short video, I'll show you exactly how to do it with just one prompt. For this, we're going to use the GLM-5 agent. I'll give you a fully ready-to-use prompt with the best settings for different book types. But first, there's something important you need to understand in advance. I'm not just talking about creating some random love stories or sci-fi adventures. Oh no. I'm talking about an entirely new way of learning. You can literally educate yourself by generating books tailored exactly to your needs. Here's how. If you open chat.z.ai and switch to agent mode, you'll see that the GLM-5 agent has a specially designed writing skill. It can generate full Word or PDF documents for you. And here's a quick spoiler. It can even generate illustrations for your books. Let me show you. The skill has two settings, writing type and writing style. If you want to create fiction, the best choice is section-by-section writing, combined with the creative writing style. All you need to do is write a clear prompt for your book. If you want illustrations, just specify that directly in the prompt. You should also tell it the desired length of the book. For example, 50 or 100,000 words. Then just hit enter, and look. In just a few minutes, your complete book is ready. As you can see, it's neatly structured, perfectly matches the request, includes illustrations, and is very readable and consistent. But here's where it gets really exciting. You can create something much more powerful to actually learn something new. The GLM-5 writing agent has a research-baked writing mode. This means the AI will research hundreds or even thousands of related web pages to gather real, proven information and use it to write your book. In my opinion, the best combination for this mode is the business professional writing style. So let's test it. Let's say we want to learn prompt engineering for modern LLM models. Just copy the simple prompt from the description of this video, paste it into the GLM-5 agent, adjust the book size, the minimum number of sources required, and any other settings. As you can see, I'm generating a relatively small book of 30,000 words. The GLM-5 agent performs research according to my instructions and writes the book piece by piece. Here's the output PDF, and as you can see, the quality is extremely high. But here's what matters most. All of this is completely free and almost unlimited. You can find my simple, ready-to-use prompts for generating books with GLM-5 in the description below. If you enjoyed this, support the channel with a like and a subscription, because in the next video, I'll show you how to create entire audiobooks totally for free. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.